Hi, I'm Tommy Kirchhoff. Today I'm going to show you how to do a moxibustion fresh ginger treatment to reduce swelling. We are going to do a moxibustion treatment on a part of the body that has swelling. So my ankle gets really sore, and I'm going to do a moxibustion treatment on my ankle. This is sort of a sampling of some different Chinese medicines. The one we're going to focus on today is this one, moxibustion, which is kind of like an herbal stick that we're going to burn. But here are some ointments and tiger balm. These are patches. It's kind of like, they call it a plaster. So you peel this off and it's sticky and covered with herbs, and you put that on whatever part of your body needs some stimulation. So this is what we're going to start with today. We're going to start with the moxibustion. This is the one I use. It's smoky and stinky. This one is supposed to be smokeless and stinkless. They burn a little bit different. For today, we're going to go with the one that is stinky. That's why we're doing it outside. I have a couple pieces of ginger here. I have an old one and a kind of a fresh one. I'm just going to cut the fresh one in half. Take a look at the inside. Give it a whiff. Now, with the ginger, I like to use a real sharp knife. You just want to cut it very thinly into thin little medallions. Just take the ginger and just slice off a little coin. Just about the same thickness as a quarter. And then take a good look at them. Make sure they're thin enough. If they're too thick, they won't work. So, I mean, it's about the thickness of a quarter. Okay, so I have 4 of these pieces of ginger. And now I'll take the stick of moxibustion, and usually what you do with moxibustion is you burn it, but in this case you burn it as a stick, I should say. We're going to take a wad of it out, and then you smell the herbs, and you're going to wad it up into little balls. The ball is it's bigger than a pea. You want it probably somewhere between twice the size of a pea and a pea. This is the moxibustion out of the stick. So all I did was I took the hunk out of the end, and then you take a hunk out of that and make a little ball. Put it on the moxibustion like that, squash it down. That one's kind of big, it'll get real hot. So, it kind of looks like an appetizer, doesn't it? You have to find a place where you are swollen. In this case, my ankle is swollen. And so you have to make it so that you can balance the ginger on here like this in the spot where you have swelling. So this is a position for me. Depending on if you need it on your elbow, you might need help. Anyway, this is how we do it. You take the ginger moxibustion snack cookie thing and light it on fire, and then you blow on it. You really want it well lighted so that you have kind of an orange ember all the way around. If you blow on it and it's looking pretty orange, go ahead and set it on your swelling area. Blow on it until you feel it getting hot. Sometimes if it gets real hot real quick, you'll want to move it a little bit. Don't worry, it's not going to burn you. While that one's going and getting hot, the hot only lasts for, I don't know, 20 seconds or something. While it's getting hot, I can feel it. I'm going to start the next one on fire. So this one's getting very hot. I have to move it because it feels like it's burning me. I know it's not. I pretty much like to get 2 of these going at once. And they get a little more, whoo, that's hot. The ginger gets a little more pliable after it gets heated up. Oh, that's burning up. So hot. I just keep moving them around. Move them around, move them around, move them around. That's all there is to it. Just rotate the ginger, and when the moxibustion is finished burning, scrape off the ash and put new moxibustion on it, light it on fire. 2 or 3 coins is about all you need to keep them rotated. Remember, it's not going to burn you, but it just pushes the herbs and the ginger down into your skin and down into the area that needs it. And I promise this will make you feel great. Thank you for watching. I hope you're able to make use of this and reduce your swelling.